very warm welcome from Changes Amsterdam, the ICO and blockchain event in Amsterdam. And I'm standing here with Tomer Sovenzon and the one and only founder of Pillar. And thanks very much for this interview. I'm Jan-Robert Schutte from Crypto Academy, the CEO and co-founder of Crypto Academy. And I have to be honest that Pillar was actually our first ICO we participated in. It was back in July and it was warm and hot, and I had sweat in my fingers also because I didn't know about Ether wallets and gas and these kind of things, how to participate. And but I liked the project of Pillar very much, and that you, as a consumer, there's a foundation you told me, and that you as a consumer have your data in your own power, in your own wallet, and that you are the one who decides who will get the data from you.
Correct.
So, but I would like to know more about Pillar. What is your foundation doing also?
So as you said very well, Pillar is about you. It's about helping you take back your data. It's about whether we like it or not. The data doesn't belong to us today, so it belongs in the current system. Not only the big corporations that we know, but really a lot of corporations are, created and maintained and built around the notion of mining our data and selling it to the highest bidder. And we want to change that. We believe that in the 21st century, the data is not going to be all gold or petroleum, but it's going to be like water. It's going to be like air. Do you want people to tell you when to breathe? Do you want people to tell you when to drink?
No, of course not. No.
You want to be in control of your data.
Yes.
And that's what Pillar is about.
Yes.
Pillar is about believing in that, and that's what we created as a gift to the world, as a foundation. And we are going to create a personal data locker where you're going to store all your information, and this information is going to be stored on the blockchain in a redundant and decentralized way without any single point of failure. So you have the services that are really going to connect on that. So basically what we're doing, and on top of that, this personal data locker will become eventually your personal assistant. So
great.
not only that you're going to have all your information in control of you, and we're going to help you, store it safely and securely in a decentralized fashion without any single point of failure. But also, we're going to put later on artificial intelligence and machine learning mechanism to help you not mine your data as the current system is doing, but help you manage their data. Because there is very tiny % of the population that actually want to manage data because it's hard. Most people just want to be in control of their data, but want help in manage their data.
Yeah.
This is what the Pillar will do for you.
Okay, and if it's in the database, if you put all the data there, can you also dedicate the data what you want to disclose? Can you say, okay, you can know my name and where I'm born, but you cannot have my DNI number or passport?
I mean, you will have a perfect control on and permissions of what you want to share, what you don't want to share inside the Pillar ecosystem, and inside
Yes.
your Pillar personal data locker. You have personas, so the same person can have a business person, hobbies that you're doing, and each one of them you don't want necessarily to disclose the same things with with other people, right? So you be able to completely manage your permissions of what you share, what you don't share, etc. Inside the personal data locker, again, in your entire control.
Okay, great. And we are Crypto Academy first largest crypto community in Holland, Dutch language based, and we moved a little bit more on to the English, of course, to broaden our audience. But what would you like to tell the audience? What are you looking for? Partners, clients, or other collaborators, maybe?
Sure. I mean, what we're really looking for in Holland and around the world are like-minded people that want to change the world, want to bring data to the control of the people, and want to advance the world in a sense to move out of the current system. We want people and partners that want to build their businesses, profitable businesses, on top of the Pillar platform. We want people that are here to educate the world about blockchain, about decentralization, and about data, how we have to switch a system, because the essence of the Pillar project is about significantly change how data is owned and exchanged and consumed. So we're really here about community, about tapping into communities that actually want to advance and want to create something new, something that is in our control, each one of us, in our data, as well as people that want to build profitable businesses on top of the Pillar platform, as well as other projects in the blockchain space that want to collaborate with us as an open source foundation, and we can help them because we're extremely well demanded both in municipalities and governments and
Yes.
many other things that we're doing in projects. We start to have a lot of offices. We have an office in Lithuania, we have an office in Tel Aviv, we're going to open an office in New York, so we can help blockchain companies to expand and help them solve some of the chicken and an egg problem and the distribution
Yes.
problem that has. So we really welcome any collaboration.
Yeah,
in
great.
that space.
And I've heard in the halls also that, correct me if I'm wrong, do you also host a kind of event yourself, a Pillar event?
Oh, yeah.
In the Baltic states?
No, in Vilnius. So
In Vilnius.
So the first event was right after the ICO. We did that in August. It was a fantastic event.
Yes.
And we're going to do the same one this year from 15 to 22nd of July, and we count on you to come and see us. Be with the Pillar ecosystem. Be with the developers. Be with the community. Get to know the fantastic things that are happening in
Yes.
Vilnius, in Lithuania, and work with us to create the Pillar ecosystem and
great.
and everything around it. So
Great.
we count on you. Come to Vilnius and see
Of
us.
course, and how can we subscribe, or how can people reach a Pillar?
Pillarproject.io. Go there, sign up for the newsletter, and come and see us in Vilnius.
Tomer, that was a very nice conclusion, and thanks very much for this interview.
Thanks so much.
Okay,
Thank you, man.
Okay, thank you.